Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Show you made to order Todco door. Yeah, we just did a made to order. You can see it's still got the shiny tag on there and everything. Everything comes pre-assembled and riveted, so you give them the serial number. And look at that, the lock even lines up because it's all made for this door. So you got all your new panels. It comes with the top seal, comes with the new lock and stuff. Let's get this open for you. And you can see why we did this, because they got this big rack system in here. They had actually another one on here, but we told them we needed at least one down. So we just kind of pivoted the door, kind of tilted the door a little bit like this and got it over this rack system, and then shimmied it past this guy by a couple pieces of paper, and then we put it back up in the track and dropped it in. And then you could see here, this hinge gets a roll pin in it, this one gets a roll pin in it, and then you could see the two 7/16 nuts get cranked down there, and then the 7/16 nuts get cranked down there. And everything's spanking. That's how we do it. We're going to give it a light oil in the tracks for them, but that's why we did it like that this time, because usually the rack systems are not in here like this, and this way we were able to help them. They had to pay a little bit more for it because it was a custom order, but this saved everyone a lot of headache and aggravation, us and them, because it's all pre-made. It's just, it fits right in there. There's no cutting and routering. So there's our other truck there. We've already done work on that one. And now this one. I'm going to lower it down and do a quick lube on it. I got to oil it up real quick and then we're done, alright? This thing floats. Beautiful. Yeah. And this is the way to do this, to order it like this, because of that rack. You didn't have to take that whole rack system down.
Okay.
Yep. So let me get some oil and we're all done.
Alright, man. Thanks.
You're welcome. There's the door. Valley View School District, thank you. Bless you guys. For all your door needs, truck doors, 630-271-9343. Thank you for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Todco pre-made door video.